Okay, this is my second video of my rough idle um, on my '05 BMW 645 E63. The car's been sitting pretty much all day. This first crank of the day. It's not really all that cold outside. It's probably in the mid 70s. So we'll give it another shot here and see what happens. Kind of expect another rough idle, and I'll go ahead and crank it up and let you take a look at the tach. Right off the bat, I turn the air conditioning off. Getting a very pronounced shake in the vehicle. Camera's shaking. You can barely see the tach. I'm going to zoom out. Okay. Got a engine malfunction warning, and got a blinking SES. This will all settle down once the engine warms up to operating temperatures, normal operating temperatures, but it's almost wanting to stall right now. It's that pronounced. Okay, real bad shake again. Engine malfunction warning coming up on the iDrive. Gonna just let it idle to see if it'll settle down for a second. Yeah, tach's just kind of all over the place. Okay, it looks like it's trying to settle down, but then it goes back into this. Okay, seems like the engine's trying to adjust, but there we go. That's kind of what we have. First start of the morning, with it being a little bit colder now. Let me know what you think.